Where we are, White Rose visits Howard Zane's layout. Yeah, yep. And Ryan back there, there's Colton and Brooke, Ryan's children. It's Tom in the background, one of the co-owners. There's Ben, one of our train guys, especially the O-gauge. And kind of giving you a tour, sort of, what the guys see. Everybody's seeing, I should say. And this is just a small portion of what they're going to see. You have no clue what you're in for.
And I just saw it. Right? The second I walked by, I was like,
it's just a paper, cardboard,
yeah.
It was always timeless.
Yeah. No,
It
it's
worked for 100 years ago or 100 years ago.
yeah. Definitely.
And then there's Mr. Howard.
Hey,
Yeah,
Fred.
man.
Playing choo-choo again.
Model railroader extraordinaire.
Yeah, right. Just playing my toy trains.
Play trains, exactly.
My toy electric trains. I don't want to.
Yeah, this is, it never ceases to amaze me, Howard, when I come down here all these years and I helped you work on it and all that kind of stuff. And,
Sometimes I can't remember doing stuff.
yeah.
It's just gone. I just don't remember.
I can remember when we had to call BG&E and tell them we were putting a substation on board until you put the LED lights in.
I still have to. You know,
Boy, did it get warm
can't-
here. It got warm down here, didn't it? Shoot.
90 degrees.
Yeah. And that, what you were telling, that Alan Keller video, I mean, it was warp and track and everything, right?
They stand here and look for this one.
Okay.
That's a fabulous shot.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Just trying to get the people.
Here's Alex. He's going to be running the trains for us. Alex is a good friend. We just had an operating session together last Sunday over Jim Kleeman's layout. As you can see, there's scene after scene after scene. There's been any number of videos shot on this layout, but I come over here. I've been coming here since probably the early 90s, helping Howard build the layout, and I still see stuff I had never seen before. It's just that you can't take it all in one visit, or even really for that matter, 100 visits.
So, comes through Manchester and came over here.
Yeah, I think Blackberry's good. Good. realism. Yes. So far, so good. Very nice.
Around that area, you'll find that this one.
You speak good, at least it's not a
He's going to go down in there.
So now, this tunnel goes down, and this goes
It's going to
into
come
the
down. It's going to come
tunnel
out
there.
over here for a brief moment. So it's going to come down over here. Then it doesn't stop.
Okay.
Yeah. We do. Is there power on it? Okay. You gotta stop. Fred, there's a train here.
Okay.
I didn't see it. No, I didn't see it. But those trees are there. Do want to check that one crossover down there because the outside track through the upper tunnel is going to be fine, but the inside track is not. So I want the train to
Station stop. Station stop.
I want the train to go straight down at that crossover.
Posted that circus video very
No.
Alex Kohler is our engineers, ladies and gentlemen, on today's train.